Explore top cryptocurrencies for massive returns 100 to 1000x your investment. Discover Web3 leaders profitable for early investors. QueenFlex specializes in spotting low market cap coins pre-explosion even in bear markets. You won't want to miss out on these top crypto projects. Also, just before we go any further, don't forget, like, share, and comment on this video. Discover the cryptocurrencies with the potential for substantial returns, ranging from 100 to 1,000 times your initial investment, transforming $1,000 into $100,000 or even $1 million. In this presentation, I will unveil the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are currently prime for investment. These projects lead the Web3 revolution and offer significant profit opportunities for early investors. As QueenFlex, I specialize in identifying low market cap coins well before they experience explosive growth, even in bear markets. I'll showcase some of my publicly called results on screen. For those seeking the next major investment prospect, ensure you watch this video in its entirety. If you're seeking the upcoming significant investment chance, make sure to watch the entire video. Bitcoin, priced at $43,700 with an $855 billion market cap, is a compelling investment due to its potential adoption by major financial players like BlackRock. Anticipated boosts from factors like Bitcoin ETF approval and the halving make it akin to investing in the entire cryptocurrency market. A $500 investment could yield around $643 in profit with a realistic target of $100,000 in a bullish market and ETF approval, according to the Crypto Profit Calculator. Number 2, Solana. Currently valued at $73 with a market cap of $31 billion. Why consider investing in Solana? Solana is a project likely to experience significant growth in a bull market, regardless of technological factors. Additionally, Solana NFTs may gain popularity due to their lower fees compared to Ethereum. What are the potential profits? Solana reached $259 in the previous bull run, and I believe it could attain a similar price in the current bullish market. Using the Crypto Profit Calculator, this suggests potential profits of around $1,250 from a $500 investment if the project reaches our set price target. Number 4, Chainlink. Presently valued at $16 with a market cap just under $10 billion. Why consider investing in Chainlink? Chainlink's appeal lies in its distinctive role in advancing blockchain technology, particularly in addressing the Oracle problem. It facilitates secure and reliable communication of external data to blockchains, a crucial aspect for executing smart contracts. Chainlink's innovative approach ensures data integrity and trustless operation, enhancing the functionality and security of blockchain applications. With a history dating back to 2014, substantial ICO funding, and notable partnerships, including with Google, Chainlink enjoys strong credibility. Its focus on improving blockchain usability and reliability positions it as a pioneering and valuable contributor in the blockchain sector, offering promising investment potential. What are the potential profits? Under favorable market conditions, a $100 Chainlink is conceivable. Utilizing the Crypto Profit Calculator, this implies potential profits of around $2,500 from a $500 investment if the project reaches our set price target. Number 5, Fetch. Presently valued at 52 cents with a market cap of $550 million. Why consider investing in Fetch? Investing in Fetch is compelling because of its dedication to building a decentralized digital economy using machine learning and AI. Collaborations with industry leaders like Bosch offer real-world applications in transport, healthcare, and hospitality. Fetch's innovative mobility framework and autonomous AI travel agents reduce costs and enhance efficiency. The FET token, central to the ecosystem, facilitates the creation and deployment of autonomous economic agents, crucial for smart contracts and oracles. With strategic partnerships, a role in decentralized problem-solving, and steady growth potential, Fetch.ai emerges as a valuable investment in the expanding realm of decentralized technologies and AI integration. What are the potential profits? Under favorable market conditions, particularly with the AI narrative, Fetch could reach $4. Utilizing the Crypto Profit Calculator, this implies potential profits of around $3,200 from a $500 investment if the project attains our set price target. To explore 15 additional high-potential cryptocurrencies, we extend a cordial invitation for you to join our Discord community and become a valued member. Your journey as a knight awaits, and we eagerly anticipate engaging with you there. Remember to stay green with Queen for successful and sustainable investments. We look forward to welcoming you to our community soon. The link is available in the description.